How to sign up on Lululemon. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, you want to open any web browser you want and go to lululemon.com. Then on this web page, you want to click on the sign in option. Once you click on this option, if you already have an account, you can enter your credentials and then easily sign into your account. However, if you are new, click on create a member account option. And here the first step is to enter your email address. Once you have entered the email address, the next step is to enter your password. While creating a password, you have to be sure that you have included 8 characters with 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, and 1 digit. Now, if you want to receive emails from Lululemon, you can tick this box. If not, you can uncheck this box. Then the last step is to click on Create Member Account option. Once you click on this option, it's going to take some time and then your new Lululemon account will be created. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.